Hi, hello everyone. Now we have come to the last part in this online course, that is in Excel spreadsheet a primer, right? Now we are going to see the sheet manipulation and then preview and printing. Like, what is a sheet manipulation? Sheet manipulation is like just copying your sheets and modifying your sheets. When you click on the sheets, for example, I'm in the sheet freeze views, just right click and then you can move or copy the sheets to another Excel workbook. I'm just clicking move or copy. I'm just clicking create a copy, and here to the book, a new book. I'm clicking a new book. I'm just clicking new book. The moment I click new book and click OK, immediately a new sheet, new book is created. New book is created. Okay, right? Now you can hide and show the sheets. I'm just hiding the sheets. The moment I hide the sheets, the sheet will not be displayed in the sheet tab. What you can do is like you can right click on the sheet name, go to unhide, and it will show you what are the sheets that are available that are hidden in your workbooks. And then unless you use macros, these sheets that are hidden can be easily retrieved, right? The sheet that I have hidden is freeze views. I'm clicking OK, and my sheet is back to normal. Now let us see how to use the preview and printing option in Excel, right? I'm just selecting this option. How to make a printing? When you press Control P, it takes you to the printing menu. These printing options, okay, you have a lot of options here, and then you can see it here. I want only the landscape orientation. I don't want a portrait orientation because my data runs for columns. Okay, I just need a landscape orientation. So my data is shown here in the landscape, and here in the corner, down corner, you can see margins are shown here. I can readjust the margins in such a way that my entire data is fitted into this printing area. Before do that, what you can do is like you can select, go to the page layout, and you can see page setup, print area. You can set the print area. You can select your data and set print area. This print area will help you to segregate your sheets into based on your data. The sheets will be split up and then you can use it for printing. I'm just clicking Control P. The moment I click Control P, you can see the data is shown here, but not the complete data is available. What I'm going to do is like, there is an option called as page setup at the last point. I'm just clicking page setup. There is an option here, adjust to, there's 100%. I don't want 100%. I'm just clicking 75% of the normal size and clicking OK. The moment I click OK, you can see almost all my data is covered here. Okay, in case if I want to adjust something, I can adjust. I can adjust here, and then I can use for printing. Instead of printing, even I can print it to a PDF. I can print it to a file. Okay, I just can see there are various options that are available. Excel can be printed into PDF. You can export it into a PDF as well. Okay, right? You can either print it to PDF. Otherwise, what you can do is like file. There is an option called as export and create PDF option. There is a PDF option that is available here. This PDF option will help you to export your data into a PDF format, PDF or XPS format, and obviously this PDF format, the selected data and the selected sheet will be exported into PDF format, right? So that's all with the Excel basics, and I thank you everyone for attending this course. Please take up the assessment for completing your to get your certificates in this spreadsheet primer.